Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. Well, if you want to use the floating keyboard feature on Infinix device, and then you can follow these steps. First, please enter the message application or any other application that contains the keyboard feature. After that, click this icon and scroll and then select the floating keyboard option. Okay, now you have successfully used this feature. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use the floating keyboard on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press the subscribe button for more information. Thank you.